Presenting Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine. Healthy, homemade juice in seconds. Juice a variety of fruits and vegetables. Easy to assemble. 40 Oz. BPA-free pitcher with lid and froth separator. The #1 selling juice extractor brand includes access to our spaced customer support. 2 speeds for maximum amount of juice. 800 watts of electric power adjust from high to low power. All the parts are dishwasher safe and a cleaning brush is included for use in the strainer basket. With the stainless steel accents and a compact design, it can be easily stored or added to the countertop. Comes in 2 colors, black and silver.